Cloud Technical Solutions Engineer, Storage, Google Cloud. By applying to this position, you will have an opportunity to share your preferred working location from the following: Bangalore, Karnataka, Pune, Maharashtra. Minimum qualifications: bachelor's degree in a technical field, equivalent practical experience in technical support, professional services, software development, or product operations management. Experience reading and debugging in Java, C, C++, .NET, Python, Shell, Perl, or JavaScript. Experience troubleshooting and advocating for customers' needs. Preferred qualifications: experience with object storage systems, e.g., Google Cloud Storage or similar. Experience with network troubleshooting, including collecting and reading packet captures. Experience writing and executing SQL queries against large datasets and log files to troubleshoot technical issues and analyze usage patterns. Knowledge of Linux, Unix or Windows systems at a system, network administrator level, from kernel to shell and beyond, file systems, and client-server protocols. Knowledge of core data structures and concepts, including HTTP, web frameworks, and common web technologies. About the job: the Google Cloud team helps companies, schools, and government seamlessly make the switch to Google products and supports them along the way. You listen to the customer and swiftly problem solve technical issues to show how our products can make businesses more productive, collaborative, and innovative. You work closely with a cross-functional team of web developers and systems administrators, not to mention a variety of both regional and international customers. Your relationships with customers are crucial in helping Google grow its cloud business and helping companies around the world innovate.